Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to change your default folder location back to the appropriate place if you're missing the location tab. Alright, so we did do a video on how to restore the location tab, and then you could do it the proper way. So I'll put a link in the description for that video in case you want to try that first. So if that doesn't work, you could try this method. So many times, let's say you removed OneDrive from your system and you have the leftover OneDrive folder with your documents in there and you want to get it back. So normally you would right click, go to Properties, go to Location tab and change from here. But like I said, if you don't have the Location tab, you can't do that. So this one's working properly, so obviously I could do it here, but I'm just showing you in case you don't have the Location tab. Alright, so what we're going to do instead is open the Registry Editor by typing regedit in the search box here. So you say yes to the UAC prompt, so you'll need to be an admin to do this. Alright, so now we're going to go to this location here, so I'll put this in the description so you could copy and paste it. Alright, so now you can see we have our folders here. One thing you'll notice, like music, for example, is called My Music, Pictures is My Pictures, but you can see it has the right folder name here. And Documents is called Personal. Alright, so what we can do, just double click it and get rid of the OneDrive, like so. Make sure we have the slash there to match the other ones here. Click OK. Alright, so now you're probably going to need to log off or reboot to make it take effect. And I'll show you why it might not work in a second here. So let's go ahead and log off and back on. Right, so let's click on it here. And you can see it says this location is unavailable. Let's open another tab here. Go to the C drive. You can see we need to make a new documents folder, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now if we click here, we have our folder. We go to our properties here, documents folder inside of the Todd S folder. And we have our appropriate path here. So now, since we don't have the location tab to move everything back for us, we're going to need to go into OneDrive here, the documents folder here. We'll take all these. So you can either move everything and hope that nothing crashes in the middle of it and you lose something, or you could copy and paste and then come back and delete the items out of this folder. I'm just going to do a cut since it's a test computer here. Paste it in here. And now I have everything back in the documents folder. And you can see I have the appropriate path right there. And if I right click it, go to properties, that's correct. And the location tab shows correct, but obviously if you don't have the location tab, you're not going to be able to confirm this. So another thing you could do too, as you can see, like this one, for example, has the path. So if something didn't work right with using user profile / documents, you could do c:\user / your username / documents that way as well. Just make sure you type it correctly. And also if you do Windows key R for the run box here, clear out whatever's in there, shell : restore defaults, that should restore the proper location for all of your folders, music, documents, desktop, and so on. But just keep in mind, if you change them to a custom location, you're going to be messing that up and restoring it. So that's something you could try as well if you don't want to go into the registry and you just want to give that a shot. So I'll put this in the description as well so you could try that. Alright, so I'll also put a link for the video we did on how to restore the location tab, and also for the video on how to get your folder locations back after removing OneDrive from your computer. And then I'll also put the registry information in there as well. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.